Welcome back to Archilab. Today, we will be diving into a powerful tool for architects, Twinmotion 2023.2. This free software empowers you to create stunning architectural visualizations and animations, enhancing your design communication. Let's explore its capabilities. Twinmotion 2023.2. Packed with game-changing features like Lumen dynamic global illumination, animated file import, and Adobe Substance 3D material support. Elevate your designs with stunning realism and unparalleled flexibility. Lumen Real-Time GI. At the forefront of this release is Lumen, Unreal Engine 5's dynamic global illumination and reflections system, allowing lighting to adjust instantly to changes and enhancing realism in real-time applications. Animated file import early access. Twinmotion now supports importing animated FB, XGLT, F and GLB files, allowing for more dynamic and customized experiences. With features like looped clips, delayed starts, and trim points, unleash your creativity like never before. Adobe Substance 3D material support. Unlock a world of Adobe Substance 3D materials in Twinmotion. Import SBESAR files directly into your library and tweak parameters in real time for seamless texture customization. Automotive White Studio template. Jumpstart automotive visualizations with the new White Studio template in Twinmotion. Just swap stock assets with your model and you're good to go. Enhanced scene authoring. Twinmotion introduces faster scene authoring with expanded asset painting and scattering options, along with a new feature allowing previewing of media camera views while editing scenes. Hope you like this video. For more such updates on architecture, subscribe to Archilab. Thank you.